Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Licht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in!
Good to see you, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Aquí recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
Tag, you're in.
Thank you, Gordon. I don't think Scruff wants to see your express.
Oh!
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
I hereby dub thee.
Starting to think I might never meet you. Smokey?
My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Fine. Since you were so good today, you're off the hook.
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
You fly over the magnificent Himalayas.
Oh, those little hills? Yeah, well, no big deal.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
McQueen is the first to take advantage. And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
It looks old and broken down.
Hey!
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
Use that!
What's going on? That's what I know.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I better do it in style.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his